What they don't teach you about trading structure is that for the most part, you are trading blind to what the market is doing. Welcome. Trading is complex because for the most part, we are blind to what the market is telling us. Let's take this line here connecting the lows right here. If I take this line and extend it just a little bit forward, you can see this uniform activity rejection is this high here where traders should have taken advantage if they were not blind to that signal. Now, if we take that line and make it touch that low, so let's do it, we can see that it is telling us that these were reversal areas. Every time you were rejected or broke below the line, it was indication of swing trades to the downside. And here we go above the line and back below it. Looks like a double top formation and gave us these rejection areas right here. We're going to take the same line and make it touch this low right there. Now we see how the same line gave us a little bit of swing trade opportunities for scalping purposes right here where there was support on this line. The same line, without adjusting for anything, gave us a break signal here for this moment before markets went down. And then they turned into uniform activity rejection right there for this very beautiful swing trade. And then again, uniform activity above the line back below it for this beautiful reversal signal before markets went down from there. So unless you are familiar with this method, all of these signals would have been blind to you and the market would be very confusing. Next, we're going to take the same line and make it connect to the low right there. Now notice how it gave us this beautiful support zone right here for the intraday lows right there. Now I guarantee you most traders would not see this reversal area here from the prior topside line, the blue line, which is right here. That uniform activity support where you go below the line and back above it with uniform action, which we can now see clearly, was telling us that there was a swing trade opportunity for a push and a scalping opportunity, swing trade opportunity for this move here. But that's not the point. The point is, if I take the same line without adjusting for anything, the same line became very relevant. And this is what most traders are blind to. This rejection corresponds with this beautiful swing trade opportunity and also became another reversal area with uniform activity for this reversal signal before the most recent move down.